welcome to Kathur Astrology. I'm Pranali, and today it's a very different mood and background. Yesterday, the video was about lunar eclipse, and sometimes lunar eclipses tend to get a little hard on us. For solar eclipse, I did not want like a very beautiful background. I actually wanted to show you this behind, like dirt or like something very unusual, or maybe something not conventional, something that we don't consider beauty in a very conventional sense, and that is very related to this theme of solar eclipse. So Surya or Ravi in Jyotish or Vedic astrology is considered as our soul, and the soul strength, the inner light, and all of that. And in a solar eclipse, in the most like not metaphysical, really spiritual way, is about all the places within ourselves where we are holding our light back, where we are looking at the old shadows, like like clutter and maybe like a not so good environment of the afternoon and sunlight, and like something like this, sitting on in like a public spot and doing this. So all these things really take away our power from us. We start to think like we don't accept these things really well, and then these things could really bother us, and we don't have a harmonious experience with life. So same as the lunar eclipse, solar eclipse is also caused by either Rahu or Ketu. So the same principles would apply. So in a solar eclipse especially, see all the situations in a Ketu based environment, in a Ketu based eclipse, where all the times where you are not true to yourself, where people told you something, or you were like, I'll only do certain things when I'm perfect. See which are the spots where you were looking for perfection, that could help you with a Ketu caused solar eclipse. And for the Rahu caused solar eclipse, see where your future dreams or aspiration, you don't feel you're worthy. Like maybe I'm of this, I don't know, this body type, or this much of education. Do I deserve to be at this spot, or I live in this area, am I worthy enough? All those situations you can let go and release, and embrace your own light in a Rahu called solar eclipse. So those are the two situations. And the lunar eclipse, the mood is different. You are like you just want to free your mind, you just want to feel nice and peaceful. In a solar eclipse, you want to be who you are, and that's actually very tough. And the only time the conflict arises in this area, where we have certain judgments or certain expectations, that only when this is like this way, something like this could happen, and that creates like a very weird internal havoc and conflict. So that is about solar eclipse. The do's and don'ts are going to be pretty much same, like staying indoors. With solar eclipse especially, I have seen chanting Om or Gayatri mantra helps really a lot. But you can simply ask yourself this question in a solar eclipse, like uh, what is holding me back from being my true self? Or is there anything in my life that I'm not ready to accept, where I'm choosing darkness over light? And that will really reveal you the biggest obstacles where you're not being able to true to yourself. So that's all about solar eclipse. Tomorrow there's one more unique topic coming up, so till that, stay safe, stay tuned.